dudes, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Scrubs!
Scrubs.
What? Oh yeah, I forgot. Welcome to another episode of Cribs! Where we show you the best teen cribs in the whole wide America! Well, we're gonna take you to some awesome dude's house. I think one of the best houses I've seen in a long time. His name is Danny. He's an awesome dude. I haven't met him yet, and I'm not going to now. He's gonna take you a tour around his house. Not me. I'm a host. Yeah. I have a poor job. It's not very good. Alright, guys? Alright, so here we'll take you there. Let's go! Rainbow! Yeah, so I gotta go. Hey guys, what's up? Are you guys here to come party at my awesome new teen crib? What's up, bitches? Let's get some lights up in here. Hell yeah, this is my crib. It's pretty awesome. It's for teenagers only like me. Come on, let me show you around. This is my awesome 13-inch MacBook. Over there is my 13-inch MacBook Pro. And over there is my 13-inch MacBook from 2008. And somewhere around the house I got another MacBook Pro, and there's an iMac in the other room if you want to go see it. Come on, let's go. And this is my roommate Chuck. He's an asshole. Well, he's on my iMac right now, so we should go see this later. Come on, guys. And this is my bed. This is where I Hi guys, this is where that dumb Chuck sleeps. Wait, is it Chuck or the Bengal Tiger? No, I think it's a Bengal Tiger. Sorry, this is a miscalculation. This is a Bengal Tiger's room, not that Chuck's. Sorry, you want to see where Chuck sleeps? Come on, this way. Come on, guys. This is where Chuck sleeps. Want to take a look? That's not too interesting. Let's just stay out of there and let's go check out my bar. This is my bar. This is where I make the ladies drunk as oh, sorry, this is from yesterday. Tequila or maybe some vodka. Care for a drink? Well, let's get onto my TV. It is a 52-inch plasma screen TV in 4D. It's freaking awesome. And one of the best parts about my TV, I can rock out to anything I want. Yo! Well, thank you, dudes. All of you guys. Thank you for coming and interviewing me on my amazing crib. And we'll see you next time on Cribs. Now, wasn't that an awesome episode of Lost? Damn it! Wasn't that an awesome episode of Cribs? The best teen one I've seen in a long time. And I've only been hired for 3 days. 3 days! Hell yeah, that's a long time. Well, we'll show you a little hint of next week's scripted Cribs. It's amazing! So yeah, this is my totally awesome teenage cribs. Oh my god, I'm so excited that you guys are here right now. I just don't know what to do, you know?